Parmesan cheese. The name alone conjures images of rustic Italian kitchens, steaming plates of pasta, and the sharp, nutty aroma of freshly grated cheese. But Parmesan, or Parmigiano-Reggiano as it's officially known, is more than just cheese. It's a symbol of Italian culinary tradition, a testament to centuries-old craftsmanship, and a flavor that's captivated palates around the globe. Made in a specific region of northern Italy, true Parmigiano-Reggiano follows a strict production process, using only 3 ingredients: milk, salt, and rennet. No additives, no preservatives, just pure, simple ingredients transformed into a culinary masterpiece. The journey from farm to table is a fascinating one, a blend of time-honored techniques and modern technology. Join me as we delve into the world of Parmesan production, exploring each step of the process and discovering what makes this cheese so special. Get ready to have your senses tantalized. Our journey begins in the heart of the Emilia-Romagna region of Italy, a land of rolling hills and lush pastures that stretch as far as the eye can see. Here, specially bred cows graze on a diet of local grasses and hay, nurtured by the fertile soil and temperate climate. Their milk forms the foundation of the world-renowned Parmesan cheese, a product of this unique environment. The milk is collected fresh each morning and evening, ensuring it retains its rich, creamy quality. Delivered to the cheese factory within hours, this milk is handled with the utmost care. This milk is unique, containing a higher percentage of protein and fat, which are essential for the texture and flavor of Parmesan. These components are meticulously tested to ensure they meet the high standards required for cheesemaking. Upon arrival, the milk is carefully inspected for quality and purity, with rigorous checks in place. Only the best milk makes it into the cheesemaking process, a testament to the region's dedication to excellence. This dedication to quality is a hallmark of Parmesan production, a tradition that has been perfected over centuries. A commitment to excellence passed down through generations, from seasoned artisans to eager apprentices. The journey from pasture to cheese vat is a short one, preserving the milk's freshness and quality. Ensuring the milk is as fresh as possible is crucial, as it directly impacts the final product. This freshness is crucial, contributing to the complex flavor profile of Parmesan, a cheese that embodies the essence of the Italian countryside. Inside the cheese factory, the real magic begins. The fresh milk is poured into large copper vats, their unique shape playing a crucial role in the cheese-making process. These vats are more than just containers, they're instruments, carefully crafted to distribute heat evenly. Natural whey starter is added to the milk, containing bacteria that initiate the fermentation process. This starter culture is key, responsible for the unique flavor and aroma of Parmesan. As the milk begins to warm, rennet, a natural enzyme, is added. This causes the milk to coagulate, separating into solid curds and liquid whey. The curds, resembling a thick yogurt, are the building blocks of our Parmesan cheese. The whey, though a byproduct, is far from wasted. Rich in nutrients, it's used in a variety of other products, from ricotta cheese to animal feed. With the curds formed, the heat is turned up, slowly raising the temperature of the vat. This cooking process is critical, determining the final texture and moisture content of the cheese. Skilled cheesemakers, using traditional tools, gently stir the curds, breaking them down into smaller and smaller pieces. This constant stirring ensures even heating and prevents the formation of large, uneven curds. As the curds cook, they release more whey, becoming firmer and more compact. The aroma in the cheese factory is intoxicating, a blend of warm milk, tangy cheese, and a hint of sweetness. This process takes about an hour, the cheesemakers carefully monitoring the curds' consistency. Their experience is invaluable, knowing precisely when the curds have reached the perfect stage for the next step. Section 5. Pressing and shaping, the birth of the wheel. Once cooked, the curds are carefully lifted from the vat, their texture now resembling a giant mass of cottage cheese. Using cheesecloth, the curds are gathered and placed into round molds, their future shape slowly emerging. These molds are then pressed, using traditional presses or modern equipment to remove any remaining whey and form the characteristic wheel shape. The pressure is applied gradually, ensuring the cheese is compact and holds its form. The weight of the press is crucial, determining the final density of the cheese. Too much pressure and the cheese will be too hard, too little and it will be too soft. After pressing, the cheese wheels, still warm and slightly springy to the touch, are ready for their next bath. Section 6. Brine bath. Salt for flavor and preservation. The freshly pressed cheese wheels are submerged in a bath of salt brine, a crucial step for both flavor and preservation. This process is not just a simple dip, it's a carefully timed immersion that ensures the cheese develops its unique characteristics. This brine bath lasts for several weeks, allowing the salt to penetrate deep into the cheese. Over time, the salt works its way through the cheese, reaching the core and ensuring an even distribution. The salt serves a dual purpose. It's not just about flavor, it's about creating the right environment for the cheese to mature. It inhibits the growth of unwanted bacteria, ensuring the cheese ages properly. This is essential for maintaining the quality and safety of the cheese, preventing spoilage, and ensuring a consistent product. It also contributes to the complex flavor profile of Parmesan, adding a subtle saltiness that balances the sweetness of the milk. This balance is what makes Parmesan so distinctive and beloved by cheese enthusiasts around the world. The brine solution is carefully monitored, its concentration and temperature crucial for optimal results. Cheesemakers must ensure that the brine is neither too salty nor too weak, and that the temperature is just right to facilitate the absorption process. The cheese absorbs salt from the brine, while at the same time releasing moisture. This exchange is vital for developing the cheese's texture and flavor. This exchange of salt and water is a delicate dance, one that requires careful monitoring and adjustment. Cheesemakers must constantly check and tweak the conditions to ensure the cheese develops perfectly. The cheesemaker's expertise is evident, their knowledge passed down through generations, ensuring each wheel receives the perfect amount of salt. This tradition of craftsmanship is what makes each wheel of Parmesan a work of art, reflecting the dedication and skill of those who make it. Section 7. Aging gracefully, months of patience. After their brine bath, the cheese wheels are ready for their final transformation. They're transferred to a vast aging room, a cathedral of cheese where thousands of wheels rest on wooden shelves, maturing slowly over time. The aging room is kept at a constant temperature and humidity, creating the ideal environment for the cheese to develop its complex flavors. Here, time is the ultimate ingredient. As the cheese ages, natural enzymes within the cheese break down proteins and fats, developing the characteristic nutty, savory flavors of Parmesan. The texture also changes, becoming more crumbly and granular. The minimum aging period for Parmigiano-Reggiano is 12 months, but many wheels mature for 2 years or more. The longer the aging, the more intense the flavor and aroma. Section 8. The Master's Touch. Inspecting the wheels. Throughout the aging process, each wheel is regularly inspected by a master cheese grater, a true artisan with years of experience. Using a small hammer and a trained ear, they tap each wheel, listening for the perfect sound. The sound reveals the cheese's internal structure, its density, and any potential imperfections. Only the wheels that meet the strict quality standards of Parmigiano-Reggiano earn the official seal of approval. This inspection is a testament to the dedication to quality that defines Parmesan production. It's a meticulous process, ensuring that only the finest cheese reaches consumers. The master grater's role is crucial, their expertise guaranteeing the integrity and authenticity of each wheel. They are the guardians of tradition, ensuring that the legacy of Parmesan cheese continues for generations to come. Section 9. From factory to table. Enjoying Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese, also known as Parmigiano-Reggiano, is a hard, granular cheese that has been produced for centuries in Italy. Its rich history and unique production process make it a beloved ingredient in kitchens around the world. The wheels that pass inspection are then carefully packaged, ready for distribution to cheese lovers around the world. Each wheel is handled with care to ensure it arrives in perfect condition, preserving the quality and flavor that Parmesan is known for. Parmesan cheese, once a local delicacy, is now enjoyed on every continent, a testament to its universal appeal. From Italy to the United States, Japan to Brazil, this cheese has found a place in the hearts and kitchens of people everywhere. The uses for Parmesan are endless. Grated over pasta, shaved onto salads, or even melted into soups and sauces, it adds a depth of flavor that's unmatched. Or simply enjoyed on its own, as a snack or a treat, its complex flavors can be savored in every bite. It adds a depth of flavor that's unmatched. Its nutty, salty, and slightly fruity taste enhances any dish it touches. Its unique flavor profile enhances a wide range of dishes, from simple to sophisticated. When buying Parmesan cheese, whether for a casual meal or a gourmet experience, Look for the official Parmigiano-Reggiano seal, a mark of authenticity and quality that ensures you are getting the real deal, a guarantee of authenticity and quality. This seal is a promise that the cheese has been made according to traditional methods, with no shortcuts. Store it properly in your refrigerator, wrapped tightly in plastic wrap, or in a special cheese paper, wrapped tightly in plastic wrap, to keep it fresh and maintain its texture, to preserve its flavor and texture. Proper storage is key to enjoying Parmesan cheese at its best. So the next time you savor a bite of Parmesan cheese, whether it's on a dish or on its own, remember the journey it took to reach your plate. From the hands of skilled artisans to your table, each piece of Parmesan cheese carries a story. It's a testament to tradition, craftsmanship, and the dedication of countless individuals who have perfected the art of cheesemaking over generations. And the dedication of countless individuals, all working together to create a true culinary masterpiece. Enjoy. So the next time you enjoy Parmesan cheese, take a moment to appreciate the rich history and craftsmanship behind every bite.